Hi, guys. I hope you guys are having a wonderful weekend so far. Happy 4th of July. It's raining over here, so I'm not sure we're going to be able to see fireworks tonight. That's a bummer. But hope in your neck of the woods you are able to enjoy some festivities. I wanted to share the brand new release at Not Too Shabby. We are going to the tropics this month, and we have some beautiful products for you, and I want to share those. We have a brand new Free with 60. This will pop into your cart once your order qualifies. If you spend $60 or more, you'll get this cute little flamingo keychain. It's metal, it's got a little heart dangle and a little cute message on it, and you'll get a half pack of sparkling enamel dots. That's while supplies last. Today only, we're also giving another free gift. So when you spend $25 or more before shipping, the Celebrate with Coffee Ephemera Pack will pop into your cart for free, and that offer will end at midnight. So July 5th, that offer will end. So I want to share how adorable this Birds in Paradise paper pad and ephemera pack are. I absolutely love the green and the pink. I just love those two colors together. So this paper pad makes me very happy, and it's so cute with the tropical images. I love it. So I hope you guys do too. And let's take a look at the coordinating ephemera. How cute are these birds? So you can layer them up, add foam tape, pop them up on your cards. They make great focal points. You can also use them in your scrapbook layouts. Maybe you want to do a vacation journal or a scrapbook layout of a summer vacation. How cute would that be? Or if you took a cruise, I think there's a lot of possibilities for this ephemera. Here's a few card examples. I created this super fun card using the Build Your Stash Holiday Card Maker sketch. Von Marie created these super cute cards. She has a video up on YouTube if you want to check that out. Von Marie is one of our newest challenge team members, and she'll be sharing inspiration using the mood board. So come check out our mood board for July. It's a super fun way to get inspiration, and you'll have a chance to win a $15 gift certificate to the shop. Next up is the Chillin' in the Tropics collection. Now this one is super cute because it has penguins. I love these penguins. They're so cute. They have all their tropical gear, and I just love the colors in here. That sand color and that beautiful pinkish red color, kind of like a corally color. And with the pink, it's so pretty. So let's take a look at the ephemera that coordinates with the paper pad. I'm going to lay this all out for you and tell me if you love the penguins.
Oh, every month a brand new board, pretty colors, themes galore. Get inspired, make a card, creativity's your reward. No, link it up, don't be shy, one will win, give it a try. 15 team to spend with glee, crafty goodies, yay, so free. Join the fun, come and see, on the Not Too Shabby blog with me.
Are those tropical dream card fronts not beautiful? I love using the card fronts. They make card making so easy. Just add them to your A2 size card base and then add a sentiment. And we have lots of sentiments in the Tropical Junk Journal Treasures pack. So you can see all these wonderful sentiments that are going to go perfect with a tropical theme. This is great for like mass producing some cards. So if you're doing a big challenge and you need a bunch of sentiments, this pack is perfect. So I'm going to show you really quick how I did this really cute card using the card fronts and the Easy Wonder Die number 3. The Easy Wonder Die number 3 bundle is now available in the shop. You can pre-order that. My products are on track, so I do expect the dies to arrive around July 15th. So I will get those orders out to you if you're still waiting on your pre-order. As soon as those come in around July 15th, I will pack that up and get that out to you. I'm so excited for you to get your hands on the new Easy Wonder Die number 3. So I'm going to play a little music while I create this fun card. I hope you enjoy.
Cut, glue, shine, it's crafting time. Pull out the pad, it's looking fine. Easy wonder, pass it once. Now I've got cards for days and months. No waste, no fuss, just joy that sticks. Pretty papers and clever tricks. Ephemera sweet and dots that gleam. This crafty life's my happy dream. Not too shabby, where the magic starts with sparkly dots and handmade hearts. Smashing pads and feeling bold with every layer, a story told. So cut, glue, shine, that's how we do. With stamps with love and a sticky glue. From sketch to card, from start to done. And not too shabby, we craft for fun. Need ideas, we've got the crew. Mood boards, kits, and lives for you. From pink Halloween to cocoa cheer, there's crafty joy all through the year. Easy wonder makes it fast. One big smash and it's built to last. Matching sets, a dream come true. We make it easy just for you. Not too shabby, your paper place, where every card puts a smile on your face. Die cut magic, zero stress, craftin' happy, we say yes. Not too shabby, your paper place, where every card puts a smile on your face. Die cut magic, zero stress, craftin' happy, we say yes. Not too shabby, where the magic starts with sparkly dots and handmade hearts. Smashing pads and feeling bold with every layer, a story told. So cut, glue, shine, that's how we do. With stamps with love and a sticky glue. From sketch to card, from start to done. And not too shabby, we craft for fun. Need ideas, we've got the crew. Mood boards, kits, and lives for you. From pink Halloween to cocoa cheer, there's crafty joy all through the year. Easy wonder makes it fast. One big smash and it's built to last. Matching sets, a dream come true. We make it easy just for you. Not too shabby, your paper place, where every card puts a smile on your face. Die cut magic, zero stress, craftin' happy, we say yes.
Here I'm using the special delivery stamp set from the Easy Wonder Die number 3 release. So it's really fun to create those little details on your postage stamps. They make it look more realistic, like a postage stamp, like it went through the mail. So I love using the stamp to add those little details. And the way the stamp is designed, it's a little distressed looking, so it's great because you don't have to perfectly stamp. So I love that. And I'm adding some sparkling enamel dots to top this off, and I think this turned out super fun. So I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you guys have a great holiday, and I will see you real soon in the next video. Take care, guys.